مرحبا.
Welcome to our channel, Learn with Safa. Today, we are going to learn the numbers 0 to 10. Are you ready? Let's start.
0
0. Let's repeat.
0
0.
1
1. Let's repeat.
1
1.
2
2. Let's repeat.
2
2.
3
3. Let's repeat.
3
3.
4
4. Let's repeat.
4
4.
5
5. Let's repeat.
5
5.
6
6. Let's repeat.
6
6.
7
7. Let's repeat.
7
7.
8
8. Let's repeat.
8
8.
9
9. Let's repeat.
9
9.
10
10. In Arabic, we usually write from right to left. We write the numbers from left to right. Let's repeat.
10
10. Let's have a small recap.
0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos.
مع السلامة.